Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. If you are trying to print from a network printer and getting the error operation failed with error 0x0000011b, don't worry, I have got the solution for you. This error usually happens after a Windows update and it's related to security changes in network printing. In this video, I will show you multiple methods to fix it step by step. Alright, let's start with the first method, which is uninstalling recent Windows updates. Some updates introduce security changes that cause this error, so removing them might solve the problem. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box, type appwiz.cpl, and hit Enter. This will open the Programs and Features window. Now on the left side, click on View Installed Updates. Look for the latest Windows update, usually labeled KB50 or something similar. Right-click on it and select on Uninstall. After that, restart your computer and try printing again. If the error is gone, you can pause automatic updates to prevent the issue from coming back. To do that, press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to Update and Security, then click Pause Updates for 7 days. You can extend this if needed. If uninstalling updates didn't work, let's move to the second method, which is modifying the Windows Registry. Be careful with this method and make sure to follow the steps exactly. This windows are type regid and hit Enter. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes. Now navigate to this path, H key local machine system current control set control print. Look for a key named RPC auth n level privacy enabled. If it exists, double-click it and change its value from 1 to 0, then click OK. If you don't see it, right-click in an empty space, click New DWORD 32-bit value, name it RPC auth n level privacy enabled, and set the value to 0. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. Now check if you can print without seeing the error. If the issue persists, let's try the third method, which is restarting the Print Spooler service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find Print Spooler. Right-click on it and select Restart. If it's stopped, right-click and choose Start. Make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. Now close the Services window and test your printer again. If you're still facing the error, let's go to the fourth method, which is manually adding the printer using its IP address. Use Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to Devices, Printers, and Scanners, click Add a Printer or Scanner, then select the printer that I want isn't listed. Now choose Add a Printer using a TCP IP address or host name and click Next. In the host name or IP address field, enter your printer's IP address. If you don't know it, you can check it in your printer settings or router page. Click Next. Once done, try printing again. If none of these methods work, the last solution is reinstalling the printer drivers. Go to Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and selecting Device Manager, expand Printers, right-click on your printer and choose Uninstall Device. Now disconnect the printer, restart your computer, and reconnect it. If not, visit your printer manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers manually. That's it. One of these methods should have fixed the 0x0000011b error in Windows. If this tutorial helped you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.